Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Set the target of 2025 for the elimination of tuberculosis from our country and health services under the able leadership of our directors and our very own Manish Gaonikar, who is a very hard-working boy. I know him right from his student days. Patients. So there is a lot of opportunity given by the government. I think people should use these opportunities. I congratulate Dr. Manish Gaonikar, our Directors of Health Services, and all the staff of NDP for getting the second place in India for the award that they are receiving today.
In terms of TB index, आमकां Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Central TB Divisionan एक award announce केला, second place in terms of TB index among smaller states in the country. We have secured second place, and the award is being given today at a function which is being held at Delhi.